Good afternoon, everyone. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Cyrus, and I want to share in my Thanksgiving testimony. I want to thank God for healing my family because for 2 months, like a chicken pox, almost all of my family in my father's side. And it's really been a struggle for all of us. But it didn't affect our relationship to God. We continue to worship and praise God even in the worst part of our life. And thanks to God, nahil lahat sila and they're doing greater than ever. I want to thank God for giving me a wonderful family and friends. Thank you for my parents for bringing me to church and introducing me to God. And I want to also thank my church best friends, Kurt, King, Asher, and Popong for being a good friend and always leading me to God. That's all. God to God be the glory.